How to subscribe to Best Buy membership. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Best Buy membership and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, bestbuy.com, Best Buy membership. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find Best Buy memberships. You'll get three options: My Best Buy, My Best Buy Plus, and My Best Buy Total. You can check out all the details for each of the subscription. Then you can decide which of the membership you want to subscribe to. Just click on Add to Cart or Go to Cart. Once we're in the cart section, you can check out. Now you can provide all the details and confirm your order. With that, you have just subscribed to the Best Buy membership. This way you can easily subscribe to any membership of Best Buy. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.